Boats and hoes, boats and hoes, gotta get me my boats and hoes, boats and hoes, boats and hoes, gotta get me my boats and hoes. Morning people. Well, it's morning every day, isn't it? Today, hopefully we're going to 3 cities, somewhere we've never been before. I normally get the ferry from Valletta to Bijiba, but this time I'm getting the ferry the opposite side of the city. And we're going to go to 3 cities. I've only seen an Englishman and Malta going up there, but I don't really know what's there myself, so it'll be interesting. Girls, it's Castle Road. We don't know bump into Mr. Scousers. Hey, because if he's there, he's going to try and get us to go on some boating tour or something. Don't get me wrong, he's a nice guy, but we're just not really interested. Police station over there. So we're going to get any bus here now which goes to Valletta. What numbers are they, Frankie, which go to Valletta?
48, I think 45, and 51, I think.
48. Is it 48?
One of them, yeah, I think.
48, well she thinks it's 48. 31. And what was the one? 45. Well, if it is, she's going to get a high 5. If not, a low 5. Well, the airport bus there is quite full. But they go, no, it's not to go to the airport though. They've not got suitcases. But yeah, heat already, the back of my legs are burning. Excuse me? Yep, it's the 48 going to Valletta. High 5.
I get on this?
Yep, we're going to get him, but we're going to get him, but it's not where we're going to sit. It's not where she's going. Where are you going? Go on, get on the bus. I don't speak Italian or obviously she wants some type of money or something, but all we've got on us are Explorer cards. To get us on the bus. €21 for 7 days.
And they're worth it.
Like L'Oreal, they're worth it.
They are, aren't they?
Yeah. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Oh no, wait, I'll just show you the bus off first anyway, then I'll get off. This is what the bus looks like. And we're going to go to the back. So, strange how to the bus, isn't it, people? But the windows are tinted, air conditioned. Anyway, I'll get off in here, I'll catch you in a bit when we get to Valletta. Well, I'm back, people. No, thank you, we've already done it. Yeah, you should go and see 5D Malta, it's very good. Anyway, I was on the bus then, it's coughing my lungs up, my ribs are killing me. And it's a couple. I've never seen anybody move that fast, whip their masks out and put them on their face. Anyway, we got 4 days left here, and I'm finally going to put my postcards out. Is that too close? I think it is, you know. Anyway, yeah, I've got my postcards there. But one thing I'm happy about, the fountain's actually working, yes. So we're going to walk up and hopefully get a bit of a splashing of mist to hydrate our skin. And maybe take some photographs. Looks like the lazy river.
It doesn't smaller.
But then there, I get my phone out of my pocket, take some pictures. Ooh. And over there's an old Maltese bus, we'll go over there in a second. Girls, do you want to sit down and do a little pose so I can get a picture? Get some pictures. There's girls, here's my phone. Man, look happy or something. Look happy. Lean in each other or something. God. There's only me, Jesus, my hat, my guns, I'm not lot nicer than him. Anyway folks, I've just taken the pictures there. Now I'm going to go over and see the old Maltese bus.
I'm going to wait over here.
Is that good? All these people taking photographs as well of their loved ones by the fountain. You can hold that for me, come here. Make sure I'm recording. Yes, I am. Oh, we're in a person's shop. Ooh, might go over there in a second and get some beverages to keep us cool. Imagine the old buses, the amount of people you could only get in them compared to the ones now. The windows aren't tinted, not air conditioning, but you have the windows to open them. But yeah, just imagine them going down those little narrow streets or cliff edges. It'd be terrifying. Anyway people, the girls look bored. Are you bored now?
No,
Fashion, do you want a drink? Is that a yes or no? I can't tell. Do you people know what it means? No. No. Is that yes or no?
The way the pigeons walk here is like this royalty.
What's that? Come here. What did you say?
The pigeons walk like they've been, like they're high class.
The pigeons look like the posh going.
Don't they?
No, gonna hold that for a second. Hold that on the cord. Is this what the pigeons are like?
Yeah, it is. It looks posh. It looks very posh birds.
Frankie, don't quit your day job. You're a terrible cameraman. Well, I don't know if you remember me showing you the moat at Mdina. Now this is what you call a moat. And this was where the drawbridge mostly was. So if the Ottomans were going to attack from Floriana, they would have a hell of a time because it wasn't flooded, so it never had water. I'm just popping the post office first to go and get me stamps to post me postcards, because that's what you do, postcards you post them. I made it down this way towards 5D. St Andrew's Scots Church, Church of Scotland. Right, here we are, Malta Post, and I'm going to cut here from one people. I'll get back to you in a bit. We're outside St John's Cathedral. I should say called Cathedral. What the difference is, there's the law courts. Anyway, there's loads of places here to get knickknacks and little trinkets from, to take people home, to take home to people. Forgot what I was saying there then. The girls did want to get the hairs and cornrows. I'll start again because people walk past them. The girls wanted the hairs and cornrows so they didn't have to look after it on holiday. But is it culturally appropriate to get hairs and cornrows? I've heard a few things from people saying about it's culturally inappropriate. What are your thoughts? Jot them in the comments. Now, that is the most dodgiest name for a shop, Gram. I wonder what they sell on there, people. I'm not going to say it, but it's the Gram. We're trying to find, I'm trying to find where the food court is. I keep saying to the girls, I'm going to eat horse ciabattas, and they go, nay, don't do it. We'll sit over the heads.
You will not eat horse.
I did say the other day, every time I've been here, it's been closed, the armories and the Grandmaster's Palace Restoration Project. So it looks like they've been doing it for a while, looks like. And I thought the top bits were dates, but no. Come on, girls.
We're going to the harbour.
Yes, we're going to the harbour.
Why so many stairs, Malta?
Because, why not?
It kills me off though.
Because, well, if you look, we're high up and you have the fort. So, something's high up.
You can see it, everything.
So,
It was a way to see the enemies coming then, wasn't it? Yeah, way.
Port of Victoria. The rest is in, I'm not sure what language it is, but the only thing that we was Port of Victoria. I do believe that this is where a drawbridge was at one point, little moat. You still see the bits there where the chains were to pull up the rampway of the moat. Look out, girls, look, girls watch. What's the moment the horse and cart? Well, I drink my penny. So here we are. So it's €2 per person.
That's what Hope wasn't care for.
What wasn't it?
You can see all the drips and his tail is shrunken.
Okay. The girls know about horses.
And it's also extremely dirty all over. That should not be happening.
Well, what do you expect? Just riding around everywhere.
Yeah, but it's noisy and it's acceptable.
Here we are in the three cities. I've been pressing the button a few times, it's not been recording, don't know why. So this is where we actually are. The girls are still thirsty. Even though today is yesterday's Thursday. No. I got distracted for a moment then. That lady's tattoos are awesome. I was just saying that you're thirsty, and today's Thursday, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Thursday, yeah.
I'm so thirsty, give me a drink.
Mm.
I'll even drink anything. Massive.
So 3 means 3, I assume. I'm sure there is it there. But here we are anyway, in the three cities. I'm still coughing my lungs up. I did try to record coming here, but for some reason the GoPro wasn't recording, so I'll record going back. Well, me and the girls have been to the three cities. As for people like me and the girls, there's not much here for us. Obviously there's stuff here, but where we walked all we seen was restaurants and restaurants and restaurants.
And stairs.
Yeah, and plenty of stairs, yeah.
Which I'm not walking up.
But yeah, not at the moment now, not this time of day. It's just too tiring. Really thirsty. There's no shops on the waterfront we've seen. There's loads of restaurants, but like expensive prices. We're just on the ferry now. We're going to go back to Valletta. We're going to get some drinks and then we're going to try some food. I'm trying to pronounce it, but you know, fatira. It's Maltese bread sandwich type, you know, big. Well, I'll show you in a bit. Yeah, they have ones which are already made up like a set menu type, but then you have other ones you can make yourself. Well, you don't make them, you just pick what you want online.
I just want to tune online.
Yeah. Anyway, I'll start recording again in a minute when we start moving, and then you'll just see. They catch you in a bit, guys. Did you realise, girls? We should have run down out, there's a bridge and shops there. Yeah, me and the girls walked along here before, looking for somewhere to get something to eat or something to drink from. All this is restaurants, very expensive restaurants. There's no little shops or anything. But we did see some ducks before. There they are, there, the ducks.